Hello guys, this is how to fix a Gcash internal server error. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So what we're going to do first is we're going to navigate to the help section of the website. Then you're going to scroll down and click on your account. Then you're going to click on manage your app. And next you're going to click on troubleshoot login or cache, Gcash app issues. And then once you get to this section, you're gonna go ahead and follow all the steps that are listed right there in the Gcash help website. So you're gonna follow each step that they give you there. So first you're gonna change your number. So you're gonna follow the first step, and right there, all the steps are listed. And then to change your network connection, so you're gonna put your phone into airplane mode and then change it to a different Wi-Fi network. And then next you're gonna force close and restart the Gcash app. And then you're gonna clear the app cache. So this is an Android version. And then you're gonna update your Gcash app to the latest version, and you'll do that in your Play Store, wherever you download your apps. And that is it. So it is that quick and it is that easy to fix a Gcash internal server error. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.